Good day, class! I am Ma'am Arrow. And I am Ma'am Kat. Today, we will share our learnings about alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Alkene is saturated hydrocarbons contain a single covalent bond between carbon atoms. Alkenes is unsaturated hydrocarbons that contains double bond. Alkynes is unsaturated hydrocarbons composed of triple covalent bonds between carbon atoms.
Now that we are done in defining the definition of the three hydrocarbons, which is alkene, alkene, and alkyne, let's begin in a primary group and with a carbon. Find the longest let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 represents in the common name of the alkene is 2. Cetane is the longest chain. Let's proceed with alkene. The rules for alkenes and alkenes are same. However, in alkenes, there are many powerful bonds that we must prioritize in giving the lowest. Now, count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The parent chains are 15. Why 15? Because we're talking about alkenes. Alkenes, the topic for alkenes are EN. Then, 5 where the double bonds are. The double bonds are equal. So, 1 dash 2.
Let's discuss the alkyne. The rules for alkane, alkene, and alkyne are the same. However, in alkyne, there is a triple bond. So now, let's name the structure. First, we need to do is to number the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since it has 5 carbons, this is called pentyne. Pentyne. Since we are talking about alkyne, we need to copy the topic of alkyne.
Did you learn something today? If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!